Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Nyla and we are back with a Skyway Classic. Today I'm showing a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Beautiful, beautiful silver with some white striping. It is a Yenko Tribute. And it is so stinking beautiful. Just doing a quick little walk around so you can get a nice 360 view of the exterior, and then we'll take a look at the interior, which is equally as beautiful. It is an automatic transmission. It's got beautiful houndstooth interior. Gotta love that. Looks like it had an upgraded steering wheel, but everything else has been kept pretty original and classic. Just an awesome, awesome car. Has a great cold start, runs beautifully, and we're gonna check that out now. I'm gonna get the engine started. We'll take a look at that engine bay, and then we'll take her for a ride down the road, and then we'll take a look at the underneath. So stay tuned.
On the street, little Yenko Tribute big block Chevy automatic. This one that smokes, girl. I'm gonna tell you what, this car. It's just power, all power. Air conditioned car. Obviously, we got the windows open on this nice sunny day. But I thought we'd take it for a quick little spin, let it shift out. Nice brakes, power steering. Just super duper strong.
Heck yeah.
So what I'm going to do is whip her back around, let her shift out again, and then take it up in the back. Let's look underneath it, get some video going on that, okay?
Sure.
Look at this dashboard, this car, Nyla.
Beautiful.
How nice the ashtray fits. All the gauges work. You got one of them modernized stereos in it, but you probably go through your Bluetooth. You got your air conditioning through your vintage air. Power steering. The paint job on this thing is just super swell. Here we go.